guys, welcome to my channel, My Little Sunshine. I'll start by introducing myself. My name is Shubhi Nirala, I'm 9 years old and I'm in 4th grade. So today we are going to unbox an air hockey. So let's get started. I think I kept my wand somewhere in the air. Let me just get it. Ooh, I got my magic wand, guys. So let's spell. Big or small, strong or weak. Air hockey box, you shall appear right next to me. Guys, it's so big and it's all over me. I think the wand actually hurt my wish. So let's open it. So guys, like you can see, it's so huge, like it's covering all of my face. So it comes with a tiny box. Let's see what it has inside. So guys, let's see what this box has. Let's cut it. It's like taped. We have to be careful. It has wires in it. If we cut it, we can't play a air hockey. So, I'm done. Cut it from the side. Okay. So our box is now open, so I'm going to take off all the stuff inside. We first have our charger, which we'll see later. Then we have 2 strikers. And we also have 2 pads. And then we have few more attachments. So let's assemble it and we'll show you how the air hockey looks at last. So let's do it, guys. So guys, we have seen in fun zones and many other gaming places the air hockey board. So this is how the board looks like. So let's fix everything and see. So it comes with 4 legs which we have to settle in the bottom. So let's do it, guys. I'm like really excited to assemble everything. It is a lot of fun fixing something for the very first time. So we are gonna do on the other side. Guys, you can't just go like, okay, I can do it. It takes effort. So we have another little basket. Okay, here it is. I was like, where? Okay, so we have that. So, you know, guys, the easy way is before you put the leg, put the nail through the hole given and then you can put your leg. I did that and it makes it more easy. Yeah, last nail. Finally done. So we're gonna. Oh gosh, oh my god, it is is so sturdy guys. And I noticed while fixing the leg, we have to we have to plug our charger here, and it has a fan here, and like when we plug in our charger, the fan will start moving, and then it'll make a magnetic effect to make our strike. So guys, I have fixed at the bottom, so let's plug it here to see if it does work. Okay, give me a second. You hear that? The fan is on. This light thing. Okay, now it's good. It's working. So guys, I have plugged it here like you can see. So we are gonna play it. So it's gonna be a lot more fun. And now let's test it. Okay, it's going. Like I told you earlier, if the fan is moving, it won't stop anyway. See? It keeps on moving. Let's try to hit it in the hole. Slippery. Yes! We hit it short, so we're gonna increase it. Like it's from 0, we're gonna set it to 1. And that's our unboxing of our air hockey. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe and also share. Bye bye.